Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change DNS server address on Windows 11 using Control Panel. For this, click on this one Start button and type here Control. In the search results, click on this one Control Panel System Entry. This will open Control Panel on your Windows 11 PC. Here, ensure View Y is set to Category. Then click on this one Network and Internet option. Then click on this one Network and Sharing Center. Then click on this one Change Adapter Settings. Here find out your adapter and select it. Then right click on it. Click on Properties option. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP before. Then click on this one Properties button. Then here select this one, use the following DNS server address. By default it will be like this. You need to select this one option. Then here you can type your preferred DNS address like this. I have configured OpenDNS from, I think this one is for Cloudflare. You can use any of the following DNS server addresses on your Windows 11 PC. That is very reliable. You can choose any one. Here you need to set primary DNS and then alternate DNS, that is also known as secondary server address. Like this, you need to configure it and then click on this one OK button. Then click on this one close button. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.